This is a quick tutorial on how to make wudu, the ablution, which you need to have for praying and reading Quran and so on. This is called a miswak or siwak. This is something that you can use to clean the teeth prior to starting the wudu or afterwards, but with the wudu. This is from the Sunnah. It's something that we should do. Now, the wudu, the first step is intention. You intend to make wudu. We're not just out washing our faces, we're making an intention. Secondly, we say Bismillah. Not Bismillah Rahman Rahim, but Bismillah. This is obligatory. You must say it in the wudu, at the beginning or during it or right after, but you should do this. Now, the first thing we begin with is washing the hands, which is mustahab, to wash the hands. The hands is up to the wrist here. So we turn the water on. We don't waste water. So we take a little bit. We wash hands, one with each other. That's once, then twice, then 3 times. Once we're done with washing the hands, we wash the mouth and nose with 1 handful of water. So you notice I took the water with my right hand and I expelled it with my left. That's once. We take the water into the nose, not drinking it, but into the nose. This is the 3rd time now. After the mouth and nose, we wash the face. The face, we wash from the hairline. If somebody's bald, then where the hairline would be, all the way to the ears, not including the ears, but to the ears, to the chin. So we take the water in our hands, we wash the face. Now, if you have a beard, then you can run your wet fingers through the beard. And this is from the Sunnah as well. So that's once. Second time, putting our wet fingers through the beard. If you don't have a thick beard, then you can get to all the little places. For a woman, obviously you don't have to worry about that. But if you have a thicker beard, then you wash the face and put the fingers through the beard. 3rd time. Now, after that, we wash the arms. That is from the fingertips up to and including the elbows. We start with the right. We take the water, we let it roll down, we wash, and then we let it drip. As the hadith mentions, from each drop of water, your sins are forgiven. So that's once, twice, 3 times. So make sure you wash the whole arm, including the elbow, all the way to the fingertips. Then we do the left hand. Again, we roll it down, and then let it drip. Try not to waste water, so we don't let the faucet just run. 3 times. After that, we're going to wipe the head. That's done just once. So you take the water, you go like this. You begin from the hairline all the way to the nape, and then return back to where you started, and then you wipe over the ears. The ears are a part of the head, as the Prophet, peace be upon him, told us. So that is done just once. After that, we wash the feet. This is an obligatory aspect of the wudu. So we put the water and we go through the toes and you wash the feet all the way and including the ankles. You make sure the heel and every part of the foot becomes wet. Right foot first, then our left foot. Once again, we go to between the toes, the foot, all the way, including the ankle. Making sure the heel is washed, no dry spots are left, and this is done 3 times as well. Now, your wudu is complete. You say,
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله.
And all the gates of paradise are open for you.